Ice cream freezers, designed for high-quality freezing needs, ensuring comprehensive protection for the storage and display of ice cream and frozen treats from every detail to performance. Our freezers can achieve 20°C, making them suitable for high-temperature regions or scenarios involving high-fat and high-dairy ice creams. Top-mounted single-layer Low-E-coated tempered glass sliding door, anti-fog and impact-resistant. Based on almost 20 years of supermarket refrigeration equipment production experience. High-density foam plus reinforced wood strips. Outer thickened pressure-resistant corrugated box. Coolsman. Keep cool, keep fresh.